Is your diesel engine taking forever to warm up on a cold morning? Or have you noticed a sudden loss of that crucial engine braking power while towing a heavy load? If your check engine light is staring back at you with a P04A0 code, you are likely dealing with an issue in your exhaust pressure control valve system. This is common in diesels like Fords, Dodges, and Mercedes, where a valve in the exhaust stream creates back pressure to help heat the engine or slow the vehicle down. Basically, your car's brain, the powertrain control module, is seeing a signal from the exhaust pressure sensor that just does not match up with what it expects from the intake manifold or the ambient air pressure. It is confused, and that is why you are seeing that light. Before you panic and buy expensive parts, let us check the basics, because this can often be a simple fix. Start by looking for exhaust leaks. Listen closely for any hissing sounds near the manifolds and pipes, or look for telltale black soot marks, which indicate a leak. If the exhaust is sealed up tight, you need to find the B exhaust pressure sensor. Check the wiring connectors first. We're looking for rubbed wires, melted plastic, or green corrosion on the metal terminals inside. If they look dirty, grab some electrical contact cleaner, or even 91% rubbing alcohol and a plastic brush to scrub them clean. You should also check the sensing tube connecting the sensor to the exhaust manifold. If you cannot blow air through it, it is clogged, and that is your culprit right there. If the code persists after cleaning, you need to verify your turbocharger boost. You want to see at least 18 psi of boost when you accelerate. If you're not getting that pressure, you might have a stuck wastegate or a bad turbo. If the boost is fine, grab a digital multimeter. You need to check for 5 volts at the sensor's power supply wire and signal wire. If you're seeing 12 volts where there should be 5, or no voltage at all, you're chasing a wiring issue back to the computer. Only after you have ruled out the wiring, the ground connection, and the tube clogs should you consider replacing the sensor itself.